More style, more rugged, more connectivity. Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai Showroom Walkaround. I'm Gian, your product specialist and host, and this is the redesigned 2023 Hyundai Palisade. Our flagship SUV is a popular model in the three-row family SUV category, and for good reason. It packs premium luxury, future-forward technology, and advanced safety features in a big, bold, and beautiful package. But Hyundai didn't rest on their laurels. The designers and engineers made Palisade even better for 2023. This makes every ride a first-class experience for you and your family. Let's see what you get with the newly enhanced Palisade. The design makes a statement with its bolder presence and more rugged SUV stance. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the aggressive yet premium front end. The grille is now wider and taller. The Cascade design gives it a cleaner look, with turn signals integrated right into the grille. Next, the modern lighting signature gets bigger and more distinctive with full LED headlights and daytime running lights. Moving on to the rest of Palisade, you have your available 20-inch alloy wheels, auto-dimming side mirrors with integrated turn signals, satin chrome door handles, and as we make our way to the back, you have the available LED rear lighting, a streamlined rear bumper with dual exhaust tips. And since we're back here, let's talk about convenience. For convenience, you have your available hands-free smart liftgate with auto open function, your available power folding, unfolding, and reclining third row seats. You also have your available remote smart parking assist, which allows the Palisade to park itself even when you're outside the vehicle. Hold down the button on the key fob. Palisade can drive straight in or reverse out of a tight parking space. And next, we have the available Hyundai Digital Key. Now, for the first time, it works with select iPhone models, as well as your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Place it next to the door handle to unlock. You can use it to turn on the engine, and you can even share it with friends and family. The inside is where Palisade truly shines. With the 2023 refresh, makes the spacious interior feel even more luxurious. There's the 8-passenger setup with second-row bench seating, or you can go with the 7-seat option that comes with second-row captain's chairs. You'll love the generous use of high-end materials throughout, like the available Napa leather, and the sleek air vent strip and available ambient lighting accentuate the streamlined approach to the redesigned dash. Then you have the tech upgrades. The standard 12.3-inch touchscreen and available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster are elegantly integrated for a clean, modern look. Now here's a first for Hyundai. The full display rearview mirror. With the flip of a switch, you get a camera that gives you an unobstructed view of what's behind you. Now, how cool is that? Speaking of cool, Palisade offers available ventilated first and second row seats and available heated seats on all 3 rows. Palisade dials up the comfort even further with the available driver's ergo motion seat. It uses air cells that actively move to help reduce fatigue on those long drives. Other features you'll find inside Palisade: USB-C ports, Wi-Fi hotspot, fast 15-watt wireless device charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available Harman Kardon premium audio system. When you're ready to hit the road, Palisade has the power and capability you're looking for. It has your available 8-track all-wheel drive with tow mode, capabilities of towing up to 5,000 pounds, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and 291 horsepower coming from that 3.8-liter V6 engine. Now, when it comes to safety, Palisade helps to protect you and your family with Hyundai SmartSense. an intelligent network of cameras and sensors that act like an extra set of eyes to help you keep aware of what's around you. Now, those include an enhanced forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction turning detection, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, smart cruise control with curve control, available surround view monitor, available blind spot view monitor, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, and highway driving assist. And because it's a Hyundai, you automatically get the peace of mind that comes with America's best warranty. Our 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, our 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and 5 years unlimited miles of 24-hour roadside assistance. Hyundai's complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And Hyundai cares about quality. That's why we produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which is very strong and very light. Okay, we have reached the end of our walk-around with the redesigned 2023 Hyundai Palisade. Enhanced with a bold upscale look and loads of new luxury, tech, and safety features, Hyundai thought of everything when it came to upgrading their flagship SUV and made it even better. You'll agree, it's our best Palisade yet.